Hi everyone, this is Pranav Singh, and I am a computer science student in Concordia University, Chicago. And I have created an app. This app was an idea that came to me back in 2018, and the basic concept of this app was to make tasks like if you want to get help for something, you can put that task or gig, whatever you want the help with, and someone around your area is gonna come and help you. So let's say example, in our daily tasks sometimes we think like, oh, I wish I had some friend who can help me move my house, or I have some friend who can move, like detail me my car. So you don't have to call your friends anymore. Because all of them are busy, then it's a favor and stuff like that. I'm just joking. So what you can essentially do on this app is you can just create a task on this app, and someone around your area will come and help you out for that, be it any task. Whoever thinks can do that task and will come and is gonna help you for that task. So you can offer them money, they can counter offer you, and this is the basic concept of the app. It's like I named this app TaskBuddy, and right now I've just created a prototype of this app at my university with the help of my professor, that is called Dr. Victor Govindaswamy. He helped me a lot creating this project on Android Studio, and I'll be uh, showing you and the entire code. I'm also learning right now at the college, and without so here's the code of the app. That is right now we are at the main activity. So you can see, very interestingly, I have added all the comments for each line of the code, because most of the times people say, what does this import do, what does this import do, and you cannot really explain all of the imports. So here it is, all the imports explained to you, and each line of the code have a comment ahead of it, so you can better understand what's happening over here. So this is the main activity where all the function of the app happens, and it's a component activity which we call, which whenever on your phone you touch on an app, it creates a scaffold, it creates a task on your phone. And what's gonna open, like whenever you open your favorite app, maybe it's DoorDash, which you open for ordering food, it doesn't take you directly to the restaurant's page, right? It takes you to the home page of DoorDash. So that's how this part works. Whenever you click on the app, this what opens the app, and then the main activity begins with the composable function over here. You can see I have three main screens. That is like how I just told you, whenever you open an app, it doesn't go directly to the main, like a different screen like your profile or like your payment page, anything like that. It opens on the home screen of the app. So you can see I have created three screens over here. One is task, where all of the tasks around you is available. Other one is create task, if you want to create a task for someone to come help you out. And the third one is messages. Once you accept an offer, as someone accepts your offer, their messages will be available in this section. So right now this app is at a very prototype stage. I'm still gonna improve a lot of the UI UX of the app, but this is right now, I'm making this video as a milestone that I have reached over here and created this app, brought to its life. Of course you can always we can and I'll be doing all of the mail, like I'll be taking this app to the production level, where the Firebase will be included, where you can actually use most of the functionalities the way they are intended to be. And right now, let's just get into the code, where what all files I've created and what everything is over here. So basically, again, if you still haven't understand the point of this app, it is to get help from local people around you. It's so simple, anyone around you. You see a lot of people knows work for plumbing or electrical work, so you can just tap in on the app and create the ad for yourself that can anybody come helps fix this leaking tap, or anybody can help these running wires which are not working anymore, or cut them short, or anything like that. Maybe help for your parties or stuff like that. So the possibilities on this app to get help is unlimited. Also, for those who are looking for work, you can earn good amount of money using this app. So without further ado, I'm gonna take you to the main part of the app. I already showed you main KT. That's the main screen. This is all in Kotlin, and this is the task screen. All of the code which is available for you. So this creates a task screen, and all of the function which is listed under it. It is this is all the what do you call it, the title of the task, what's the title will look like, what's the description will look like, a value on change, which this is a text field on how much you can offer it. I'm going to show you actually. I should just like keep the demo running by this. So let's just play the emulator and let's, oh, here we go. Lab MacBooks are really fast, man. They are really fast. So I already loaded the, oh, it loaded the previous stage of the app, I guess. So here we go. You can see in the bottom of the video that there are like 3 buttons down below, and I am right now at the create task page where I will show you how to create the task. So what task we can create? Let's do house cleaning. Okay. And we'll put a little bit of description. I have a 5-bedroom house. There's a party at 6 p.m. So before that, I need the entire house to be cleaned and detailed. Okay, so this is a description, and the person to clean a 5-bedroom house, which is pretty big. So let's be considerate. He's gonna pay you $200. Oh, 2,000. That's too considerate, right? So he's gonna pay you $200. That is in dollars. Add task. Here we go. We have created our first task in front of you, and all of this was happening in the create task screen. You see, on click, title not blank, description is not blank, dot, because now it's everything is blank. So basically this checks if all inputs are not blank, converts offering to double, default to 00 if invalid, adds new task with offering to repository, title, create title field, description, offering, like here, like empty blanks which is filled by here. And next and this is the add task button. So I've created all the buttons over here. So if you go to task, here it is. So house cleaning is the title, and I have whatever I've written. So it's quite amazing to see this app working like this, and we can of course in the future can expand it, and a lot of features will be added. A more better UI will be there for this app. And what essentially now I'll be showing you is the messages screen, where it's so simple. I did not add it much. So basically what happens over here is accept offer, and when you accept offer, you can always type a counter offer. Let's say, I am ready to do this, but can I ask for $300? Why not? $300. So when you send it, It starts a conversation with the person you're talking to. Of course, there are no users right now. It is just a mock app which I have created, and many of the things will be added later on. And here is the home icon. Here is the messages app. So basically, whenever you open an app, right now it's at the default, like the Android face comes up, as you might have noticed before when the app recreated itself and opened. This is the messages icon, this is plus icon, and this is everything. So all of these things are open. Let's just close them. And now we're coming to the bottom navigation part, where the bottom app bar creates a bottom bar. Basically, whenever you open the app, it creates a bottom bar. When selected, selection state can be dynamic. On click, navigates your task route. Like all of these buttons, basically, the nav, the tasks, the IC task, all these things take to a different page, and this is how the function works. And if you see, like three items for navbar item, there are three items over here. And next up, I want to show you, it's always a good idea to create, like, this is the root package of all the app where all the activity happen, and under the root package there should be screens, and all the three screens should be separated so the, like, code doesn't get too confusing. And when you're coding, the next programmer must understand what you have coded, because when you work in a company, your code should be understandable to next employees as well. So I have created three screens: task screen, message screen, and create task screen, which I just showed you the demo for. And that's about it for the app. Right now it's working fine. There are a lot of improvements that can be done, I know that, but tag along. I'll be sharing more videos and progress on this app and what I'll be doing, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. Have a nice day.